taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from.
Good morning from We Love Food World with Ricardo Nunes and Antonia Septimo. Hi guys! Welcome sa aking kusina. Magluluto po tayo ngayon ng simpleng recipe. So, madaling gayahin. Okay guys, meron bacon and potato, eggs, so it's like yummy and delicious. Good morning from We Love Food World with Ricardo Nunes and Antonia Septimo. Hi guys, welcome po sa ating kusina. Magluluto pa ako ngayon ng bacon, egg, and potato. This is nice and delicious. Let's begin. Okay guys, this is my recipe. Meron tayong potato, tomato, onion, egg, salt, parsley, and pepper. Meron tayong bacon. So, ayan. Umpisahan na po natin. Okay guys, lagyan na natin siya ng oil. Ayan. Okay. Okay people. Unahin natin yung onion. Okay. Maraming sibuyas. It's really nice. Okay. Guys, ayan. Okay. Sibuyas muna. Okay guys, lagay natin yung bacon, okay? Haluin lang natin. Mix together until the bacon is cooked, okay? This recipe is really nice guys. This is, can you do breakfast, snack, or lunch? Very light. Okay. Try this. Okay, next step is the potato. Hahaluin lang po natin. Just mix everything. Okay. Lagyan natin yung potato, of course, yeah? And of course, the salt a little bit because maybe salty the bacon. So if you want more, you can add it. So nice and tasty. And then guys, let the potato cook. Okay guys, look at this. Amazing niya. Ilagay natin yung potato, tomato. Hahaluin lang po natin. Just mix everything. It's a massive, isn't it? It's amazing. Okay guys, look at this. Amazing, yeah? A little bit more and okay people. Lagay natin yung parsley. Ooh, amazing. Okay? Ayan. Then, lalagyan natin siya ng egg. Okay. Look at that. Egg. Just 3 eggs. Ayan. Amazing egg, guys. Okay. Look at this. Look delicious. Okay guys, look at this. Amazing. It's delicious. Hi people. My recipe is already done. So, ayan. Pakita ko na. Yummy and delicious, guys. So, everyone can have it. And amazing. Hopefully you like my recipe, people. And this is nice. Okay, guys. Sana po nagustuhan nyo ang aking luto ngayon. It's really nice. And masarap. Okay, guys. Please subscribe and like. And in the kitchen, we are fire. Thank you. God bless you. Bye now. Mwah. I love you all, guys. Bye. Okay, guys. Look at this. Delicious, yeah? Nice. It smells good. So, sana pa nagustuhan nyo ang aking luto ngayon. Masarap. Pwede sa lahat. So, thank you for watching. And sana po nag-enjoy kayo. Bye now. I love you all.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food